Well, howdy again this week, and salute. This should be the last pre-record I do in this shirt and hat, unless I just happen to be wearing this shirt again. But unless April gets real busy, and then I find a day towards the end of the March, I'm like, okay, well, I'm going to pre-record because April's going to be super busy. But this should be the last one of this set. Okay, so we're going to go into 1 Corinthians 25 through 26. All right, y'all? I just want to make sure y'all's getting your studies every week. Okay, 25 through 26. Because the foolishness of God is wiser than men, and the weakness of God is stronger than men. For ye see your calling, brethren, how that not many wise men after the flesh, not many mighty, not many noble are called. Okay, so I'm going to leave y'all with that one, alright? So love y'all, do it God's way, and not your own way, okay? Do it His way, because it's so much better. Alright.